All Progressives Congress party members arrive in the party's national headquarters in Abuja. They are attending the party's National Executive Council meeting. President Buhari with Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, the APC chairman, Chief John Oyegun, make their entrance into the venue proper, signaling the commencement of the NEC meeting. This is the party's second NEC meeting since President Buhari came into power. It's an opportunity for President Buhari to intimate party members of some of the activities of his administration in the last few months. He says his administration is making progress in the war against insurgency in the country. However, he's concerned about the activities of Niger Delta militants.
It was a very courageous decision the party took and executed by the executive by removing most of the military hierarchy, appointing those to take over from them, making some limited reorganization, training, acquiring some hard and software, and raising the morale of the military to go and secure the rest of the country, which were then 14 local governments out of 774. The elections in Kogi, the election in Bayelsa, and was still in Rivers. I think more Nigerians are killed or kill themselves in Rivers than in any particular state. It is the state of our political development to remain brutal. I think it's shameful. And as a government, I promise we will do something by the next general election.
President Buhari also lauded the implementation of the Treasury's single account system, TSA, saying it has helped in blocking leakages in the country. He also explained the reason for his frequent trips outside the country.
An effort is being made to give a list of recoveries in whatever currencies so far, so that Nigerians will know that it's not all a long story. For globetrotting, if some other party had been in charge of the country for 16 years, 8 consecutive governments, you need to present your case on a personal basis to your economic colleagues and your neighbors.
The party members then went into a closed-door meeting. Speaking to journalists after the meeting, the APC chairman says one of the key issues the party discussed was the issue of the board of trustees of the party.
NEC decided to downsize our board of trustees, and that will be looked at in line with all the other constitutional amendments.
Chief Oyegun said the party is firmly against the killings during the Rivers State rerun elections and has asked security agencies to investigate and hold those responsible accountable for their actions. Linda Akibe, Channels Television News.